Hi grade 3s, welcome to our next lesson of music this half of term. So today we're going to be looking at On the Bridge, and a couple of things I want you to notice about this piece. It's in 2/4. So what does that mean? We have 2 beats per bar. So here 1, 2. Remember, a pair of eighth notes is equals to 1 beat because it's half half. So ta, ti, ti. Those are 2 beats. Ta, ta, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so key of 2/4. Remember, we have our grand staff here showing our melody and harmony. We're going to try and do both the melody and harmony today. And a couple of things I want you to notice about this piece is we have very big jumps. So look how sharp these inclines and declines are. We're going from a high D to a G. Where's another crazy one? Yeah, here, high D to a G. So big leaps. So this is going to be slightly challenging, which is going to be a lot of fun for us. So as we get started, let's start off by reading the rhythm. Let's take it and let's get it. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta. Let's try that again. Don't get lost by going to the harmony. We're only reading the melody. So top line, then the top line. 3, go. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, 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 ta. All right, now let's get straight into trying to get these notes. So our first 2 notes over here are starting on the second beat. How do I know? Because this is only taking 1 beat. So whenever you see this, we call it starting on the upbeat. So how I'll count this is 1, G, G. Okay? So let's try that. 3, 2, 1. 1. Easy stuff. 2 G's there. Let's keep going. Then we have a G. What's this note? Second space is a A. Remember, to know the space notes, you use face. So let's go G, A, A. 3, go. Again. Let's go bar 1 and bar 2. 1. Alright, again, go. Then we keep going to bar number 3. We stay on this same note, so we stay on the A, but then we go a little bit higher with our B, C as 8th note. So let's try this bar number 3. A, B, C. 1, 2. Again. 1 time. Let's try get bar 1 up until bar 3. 1. Slow it down. All right. Now let's try get. This is the tricky one right over here. These next 2 bars, bar number 4 and bar number 5. It doesn't have to be tricky as long as you practice it. But let's try. We go from a D to a G. So let's first try that out. D, G. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. By yourself. D, G. Last time. D, G. Let's keep going to those next 2 notes. We have F sharp, G. So let's just try F sharp, G. 1, 2. 1, 2. Last time. Let's put these 2 notes, these 2 pairs of 8th notes together. 1, 2. A bit quick, let's slow it down. 2. Last time. Let's take it from bar 3 to bar 4. 1, 2. Slower. Let's put bar 1 to bar number 4. 1. Again. Then we take it to bar number 5. What you'll notice is bar 4 moves very quickly into bar 5. You don't have much time to think. So over here we have our A. And what note is this? That's hanging, dangling D. So remember, low breath over that. Not too much air, else it'll sound squeaky. So let's try this first part. A, dangling D. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. And then taking it to 2 G's. Let's go for it. Those 2 G's. 1, 2. Go. Let's take it from A to D to those 2 G's. 1, 2. Go. Now let's try and put it from bar number 4 to bar number 5. I'm going to take it nice and slow. And remember, your eyes have to move quick from here to here. Don't get lost. In fact, you can have these 2 notes memorized right now so that you can be able to move and not get stuck, because that's how quick it moves. So let's try it out from bar 4. 1, 2. Did you get it, or did it miss you? Again. 1, 2. Let's slow it down even more. Go. Let's try take it from bar 1 until bar 5. 1, 2. All right, let's keep on going. That part is tricky, so take some time. If you haven't yet got it, pause the video, rewind, and try and get it. You can get it if you put the work in. Bar 4 and bar 5. Let's go to bar number 6. What you'll notice is no difference between bar 6 and bar 2. Exact same thing. G, A, and then bar 7. Is it the exact same as bar 3? Yes, it is. A, B, C. That's fine. So let's try go from bar 6 to bar 7. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. And let's keep going. These 2 notes are exactly the same as these 2 here. D, G. Okay? So now, but the only difference is these 2 over here. They're not the same as those ones. So we're going to go D, G, A, F sharp. Let's try this A, F sharp real quick. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Let's try put this D, G, A, F sharp together. 1, 2. Again. And the note sounds like it wants to get to that G, so let's play that G. So D, G, A, F sharp, G, go. Again. Let's take it from this bar over here, bar number 6. 1, 2. Kind of sounds a bit weird when you take it from there. So let's try and take it from these 2 G's over here, just at the end of bar 5. 1, 2. Even slower. Last time, let's go from this G's. Let's try this whole melody line from the beginning to the end, and I'm going to give a count of 1. So get ready. 1. Now let's slow it down. quite a bit. After a count of 1. 1. 1. So pretty quick stuff right there. So make sure you practice it well and you can move with it well. Let's now go to the harmony. Harmony is actually a lot easier than the melody for the first time. So let's try it out. First up, we have 2 Bs as an 8th note. So after a count of 1, 1. So remember we're reading the second line. 1. So right over here in bar number 2, we have a B and a D and they are quarter notes. So let's try that out. B and low D. 1, 2. Again. Let's go from bar 1 to bar 2. 1. Again. Now bar 3, we stay on that low D and then we go G, A as 8th note. So D, G, A. 1, 2. Again. Last time. Alright, let's go from bar 1 to bar 3. 1. Now I actually end up playing that B over there. So let's keep on going. So from that D, G, A, B, then we'll play C, B. Let's try this bar by itself. B, C, B. 1, 2. Again. Last time. Alright, let's take it from here up until the end. 1, 2. Let's take it from here up until the end after a count of 1. 1. Again. Your turn. Your turn. All right, let's keep going to the next harmony line. So we have easy stuff, an A, B, B. Let's go. Remember reading the second line. After a count of 2, 1, 2. Again. Let's keep going to bar number 5 of the harmony. Now we have B, D, same thing that we had here, no difference. So let's take it from here up until that B, D. 1, 2. Then actually, let's keep on going. Exact same notes over here. The D, G, A. So let's try that out. 1, 2. Let's go from bar 5 until bar 7. 1, 2. Again. And let's even keep going. Let's try and finish this off. So are the notes the same over here? They are exactly the same. We have a B, C, A. And here we had B. Oh, they are not exactly the same. This one was B, C, B. Here we have B, C, A. So small little thing to watch out for. So let's go for it. B, C, A. 1, 2. Again. And actually, let's finish it off. It sounds like it wants to get to that note, which is a G. 1, 2. Again. Again. Again from here. Whole of line number 2. 1, 2. One, two. Let's try to put the whole harmony line together. 1, 2. A bit slower. All right, now let's hear how it sounds when you put both of them together. All right, grade 3s, and that's how you play on the bridge. Make sure you try practicing playing the melody and the harmony as I'm doing the other. So if you hear me doing one run through of the melody by itself, try playing the harmony as I'm doing that so you can hear how it sounds together. Or if I'm playing the harmony, try playing the melody just so you hear how it sounds together. Okay? So try and switch between the two. And yeah, get your ears used to how it sounds playing in a duet, because it's very important. Music is usually done by yourself and also with other people. All right, so that's it, grade 3. So practice hard, and I will see you next week for a slightly challenging piece. See you then.